Welcome to Wakelet Workspaces. In this short guide, we'll show you how to set up your education workspace, add your teachers and students, and start creating collections that your class or team can collaborate on. Let's get started. First, click your profile image, and from the drop-down menu, select Create a Group Workspace. You'll then see all the available workspace plans. Slide across to the Education tab and choose Education Group. Click Choose Plan to continue. You'll now be taken to the checkout page where you can purchase your workspace plan. Here, you can choose the number of teacher seats, the number of student seats, and you can add a promotional code if you have one. Once you're ready, complete your purchase. After you've successfully upgraded, your new workspace will be created automatically and you will land inside your workspace settings. From here, you can give your workspace a name, upload a workspace image, and confirm how many teacher and student seats you have available. Next, head to the Members section. This is where you'll add teachers and students to your workspace. Now you can invite members in two ways, either by an email invitation or by uploading a CSV file. If you're not confident that your students will receive an email invitation, then generally it's best to use the CSV file upload. This is the method that we recommend. To upload members using a CSV, simply download the CSV template. Once you've done this, open the file and fill in the required fields, including the student name, the email, and the ID. Now, if your students will be signing in using SSO, single sign-on, then leave the password column blank. But if you want your students to sign in using an email and password combination, then add a password in that column. They can always change it later. Once the file is ready, save it as a CSV file, and then upload it into Wakelet. You'll then be able to review the list and import your students into the workspace. Once your students and members have been added, you can then organize them into groups. Go to the Group section in the sidebar and click Create Group. Give the group a name, a grade, change the group image, and also check out the group roles once you've added members. Click the Add Members button, select the members you wish to add to the group, and then confirm. You can now move out of the admin area and into your workspace area by clicking the blue Wakelet button on the top left-hand corner. Head to the Groups area and the group that you just created should appear right there. You can also click the three dots on the group and click Add to Sidebar for easy access. Now I'm going to click on this group, and inside here, this is where the magic happens. Here I'm able to create content which I can share with my students. I can click the members icon on the top. I'm able to see my students' work, and I'm also able to view their profile. Inside a group, you can start creating collections of resources, content, and other learning materials that your students will be able to access as soon as they sign in. To change who can view this collection and contribute to it, simply click inside the collection, click the Share button, and here you will see the group listed under the Contributors menu. And here you can change the collection to No Access, meaning nobody can view it, Can View, which means that your students will be able to see it, Can Add, which means that your students can add content to it, and Can Edit, which means that your students can not only add content to it, but can also edit elements of the collection. You can also turn any collection into an activity and assign it to your students at any time. And that's all there is to it. Your workspace is now ready for collaboration. Remember, you can continue adding collections, organizing groups, and inviting teachers or students whenever you need. And you can always return to your workspace settings to manage seats, update your workspace details, or invite additional members later. Thanks for using Wakelet, and we hope you enjoy collaborating with your classroom and team.